Hello everyone, welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today I'll show you how to make miniature painting tools and supplies for your dolls. Alright, let's get crafting. To get the free printable for this project, you can visit my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com. The link will be in the description box as well as other information. I printed mine out on cardstock. The first thing I'll show you how to make is the acrylic paint. Take the printable and cover the paint prints with clear packing tape. Cut out each one. Then you'll need a piece of black paper. Put packing tape on one side of it. Curve the print around a doll or the end of a paintbrush and glue it together. Add glue to the top and crimp the end closed with pliers like this one. Then glue it down on the black paper, tape side down, so you're gluing it to the paper side. Cut off the extra black paper. Then make the rest. To make a color wheel, cover the two pieces with packing tape and cut them out. Use a push pin to poke a hole in the center of each piece. Take some thin wire and cut off a small piece. Shape it like this and poke it through the holes. Pinch it down with pliers. Make sure it's not too tight. Add a little glue to the top side. Let it dry and give it a spin. In our last video, you asked for some way to store the items. So today, I included a storage box. Cut out the box and the handles. These boxes will fit perfectly in the craft room I'm working on, so stay tuned for that video. Fold on the lines. Glue the box together. Cut out the label and glue it to the front. If you don't like the print, you can use this as a pattern and make your boxes out of your favorite cardstock. Now you have a place to store all that paint. I use these giant craft sticks to make a wooden paint palette. Cut out the pattern and trace it on the craft stick. If you don't want a wooden palette, you can glue the print down to paperboard and use it like it is. I use my heavy-duty scissors to cut off the rest of the craft stick and cut around the drawing. Then I use a drill to drill out the thumb hole. Use sandpaper to smooth it out and shape it the rest of the way. test it to make sure your doll can hold it. Then you can use acrylic paint to add paint to your palette. I like to make mine look like it's been used, so I mix a little paint on the side of the colors. To make a paintbrush, take a toothpick and cut it down to the size you want. A little way from the end, press your knife blade in softly. From that point, start to whittle away the wood into the type of brush head you would like. If you're getting value out of this video, don't forget to hit that like button. You can do a pointed brush or a flathead brush. Once you're done, paint the brush handles with acrylic paint. Then, take a thin strip of aluminum tape and wrap it around the top of the handle. To make a palette knife, cut off the end of a toothpick. Round the end with sandpaper and paint it brown. Take some thin plastic from packaging and draw an elongated diamond and add a handle. Cut it out and cover it in aluminum tape. And cut it out again. Bend it like so. Take another strip of aluminum tape and use it to stick the blade to the handle like so. Now we need an easel. To make a tabletop easel, cut 3 skinny sticks in half. You'll also need a 1-inch piece. Glue one of the sticks to the center of another. Take the 1-inch piece and glue on another piece 1 inch from the top. Glue on 2 more pieces that wing out on either side. Glue on the shelf piece. Cut a 1/2 inch off the last piece and glue it on the back at an angle. Now your dolls should have what they need to make some masterpieces. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun crafting!